Hello everybody. Today we're going to be coloring in our Kandinsky abstract drawings with our lines and shapes today. So to do that, you're going to need something to color with and your drawing we did yesterday. And I'm going to use any colors that I want to, but when there's a line through a shape, I'm going to stop at that line and I'm going to make my force field or my outline. So you'll see this triangle right here is overlapping, and I'm just going to color in half of the circle. And I'll show that on a bigger one. So this really big triangle. So right here, that big circle is overlapping, but because this line doesn't go all the way through, I'm going to go ahead and color all of this in the purple. Now, if it went all the way through, like this one up here, I would stop and go around it. So remember your force fields, your good craftsmanship, those lines that you're coloring with are going the same direction all the way to the edge. And so once you have one shape colored in like that, right here, you'll see that there is this other overlapping part of the triangle where the circle and the triangle meet. So what I want you to do, if you have any of those overlapping areas, you're going to go ahead and make that a different color. So right there, I'm going to put a green. And you'll see I even have a tiny triangle right there. It's okay if there's a few that you mess up on, because it happens sometimes. You could always blend over it in a different color if that happens, but we're going to try and make so we have a different color touching at each point. So you wouldn't have two greens right next to each other. So if I have this part green, you want to find a different color for this. So this would be a great place to either use my pink again. So I could use pink in this, but I'm actually going to go ahead and use a yellow. And see, I'm hitting the triangle again, so I'm actually going to go around that triangle and color in. So really try to use a different color in each area where they overlap. Now, if I'm very far away from one color, so if I have yellow here, I can still use yellow over here. And I could still use green here, because we're just trying to use a different color right next to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to color mine, and you should color along with me. And when you're done with your Kandinsky inspired artwork, you can go ahead and take a picture of it and submit it to Canvas.